It was a joyous moment for the locals to have a bridge connecting to services on the other side of the river. Children who live on one side of the Tuman River make it their daily routine to cross a flowing stream every morning to go to school and again in the afternoon to return home. Local MP Kuli says his people deserved basic services which have been lacking for more than 2 decades. The 44-meter Bailey Bridge was imported from England and is said to withstand strong currents during flooding. It will be connected to the old bridge, which was washed away by floods in 2006. The former Anglimp-South Waghi MP, Kuli, the current MP's late father, built the old bridge. There are also other million kina projects that are running concurrently in the same area. The 8th million kina road construction and the 1.2 million kina rural electrification project, including the 4.5 million kina bridge. Kuli encouraged the locals to look after the impact projects, which will transform their standard of living.
I think now I'm splitting good now. Or Tuman by road long yet, no road long now man by got freedom long. You let the walk about down.
A local renowned contractor, Sweds Ramat Construction, will build a bridge within 5 weeks. They are well known in Jiwaka and Western Highlands province for building durable bridges and on time.
So you talk walking bridge and walking by September 16.
Meanwhile, Kuli said he has fulfilled his 6 policies to deliver roads and infrastructure services, maintain law and order, support health and education and church programs. He said he will continue to deliver impact projects in the remaining months before the 2022 national elections begin. Vasanatha Yama, National EMTV News, Mount Hagen.